Greetings everyone and welcome back. This time it will also be a little crafty, artsy video. Also ignore my nail, it chipped recently. I was eyeing those Make It Miniverse things for a while now, and then I stumbled on this collection because and I wanted to get it because it had snake. But instead of from trying my luck, I went to eBay and got the one that is 100% should have snake. And here it is. It's partially opened because still I had to confirm what's inside. Also, I don't know how they confirmed because I don't see anything. But let's open it. Oops. Sorry, my mic. No idea what this should be. Looks like it has some mini game. I see a small snake. Also, I tried to look what the type of snake it is supposed to be, but I couldn't find much information except for AI overview. Okay, that's cute. This doesn't look like English. I don't know what the language it's supposed to be. Maybe they made something up. Okay, this feels like card. And okay, yeah. When I was looking what type of snake it supposed to be, all I got is the AI overview, so I'm not really sure what this snake is. So if anyone knows what type of snake this is supposed to be, you're welcome to share in comments. So I think I download. If I want to try this game, I need to download it and then tap this mini card at my phone. this is the same paper, same print, and also I don't know what it says. Okay, that's kinda cute. This looks like dirt that goes inside, but I'm not sure what material it is. I hope it's something similar to kinetic sand. Branches. This I'm not sure what will be. And tweezers. We have, I think it's one branch, but separated into 3 major pieces. I think I will add some glue later to make sure it stays. Also, if you were wondering, stick itself is made out of rubber, so it's flexible. Also, something interesting, those two holes are connected inside. It still needs to sit, but I can use it now. Yeah, it's kinetic sand. I'm trying to make it look more natural. I'm still not quite sure what those white ones should be. I will see how I can update this enclosure later. Now let's see snake. That's really cute. Snake is also flexible and like this. Simple, cute, but I will see how I can make this to be more long term, so I can move it around, drop it, and then don't be afraid for it to spill everywhere. Now, what are those? Ah, okay. Looks like I can insert this into this. No idea why. And this into those ends. Also no idea why. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do it. I'm not even sure what is this supposed to be. But okay. This how I haven't looked under. I didn't think it will be as detailed. There is a little pattern under snake. But that's all for now. I will later, when I will repeating once again, I will later see how I can upgrade this enclosure for it to be more long term, for it to look more interesting. Also, this enclosure is very tiny for this size snake. But we will see how I can try upgrading it. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching.